I teach legal research and writing. Today, I am going to explain how to prepare for class. In law school, a professor may suddenly call a student's name and ask about a case. At that moment, you should know the facts, holding, reasoning, and policy of the case. The purpose of this lecture is to prepare you for that moment. In law school, we mostly read judicial opinions cases, SCI. These readings are not only for class, but also help develop skills for becoming a future lawyer. In law school, the Socratic method is used. This means the professor lectures less and asks students questions. You have to explain the case yourself. Why we read cases? We read cases because a case resolves a dispute between the parties. It also explains and develops rules of law, theses. Each case is a small piece of the law. By the end of the semester, all the cases together help you understand the whole subject. You should treat law school like a full-time job. Daily reading and preparation are necessary. How to read a case. First step, understand why you are reading the case. Use the syllabus or the textbook's table of contents. To understand the topic, a judicial opinion is usually structured like this. Introduction, facts, legal issue, law and analysis. Conclusion. On the first read, skim the facts later. It becomes clear which facts are important. The key questions are, who won? Why did they win? What law did the court apply? Lucy v. Zemmer. Case example. Lucy and Zemmer had an agreement to sell a farm. The agreement was written on the back of a restaurant receipt. Zemmer claimed it was only a joke and that he was intoxicated. Lucy argued that the agreement was serious. The trial court decided in favor of Zemmer. The Supreme Court reversed the decision. The court said, a contract is based on words and actions, not hidden intention. If your behavior appears serious, the contract is valid. Final decision. Lucy won. Zemmer had to sell the farm. What is a case brief? A case brief is a short summary written in your own words. Its purpose is to understand and remember the case. A case brief includes case name, court, and year, relevant facts, procedural posture, issue legal question, holding answer, reasoning, policy if any. Simply highlighting or rereading is not enough. Playing, writing and explaining in your own words is essential for learning. Using other people as briefs or AI summaries is like watching someone else work out at the gym. You do not gain strength from it. After class, add notes to your brief during class. Write down ideas shared by the professor and classmates. Note anything you do not understand. Exam preparation. All case briefs together form an outline. An outline is a short map of the entire subject. It is the most powerful tool for exam preparation. Final advice. Notes, briefs, and outlines are for you. You do not need to copy anyone else's style. The most important thing is to actively engage with the material. Stay curious and enjoy learning the law.